You have failed me, and very disappointed me, officer. I gave you my trust for the weapons, and you go ahead and betray me. I didn't do it, Two-Face. Batman made me. He asked me so many questions. He's very, very convincing. That is very true. I'll have to kill you now. What? Please don't. Yes, I will. Goodbye, officer. Two-Face, you know you should be nicer to your friend, right? Robin, how nice of you to drop by. But now I'm going to drop you into a grave. Where'd he go? Yes, Mr. Grayson, you called? Yeah, Alfred. From the looks of it, we have a new little friend in town. I don't know who he is or what he is, but tonight when Two-Face was about to shoot me in the back, it looks like he threw a knife at his hand, got the gun out of his hand, saved my life. But I don't know what his intentions are. For all I know, he could have been aiming for the head and just missed. Yes, sir, that is very uncanny. Maybe I shall get as much information on vigilantes as I can. Computer, search mercenaries in Gotham. Searching. Search. No mercenary. Only 6 mercenaries in Gotham. 1 is Deadshot. Computer, pull up picture of Deadshot. Loading. Deadshot, so I hear you know a few mercenaries in Gotham. Yeah. Who you want to know about? Somebody dark. Kind of like Batman. Red eyes, black hood. Huh, never heard of him. Well, if you ever hear about him... Wait, are you talking about the Black Menace? Who? The Black Menace. He's not really a mercenary, he's more of a vigilante. But he's been attacking criminals. Mostly Two-Face, Joker, all those nuts. And he doesn't kill him, he just beats him up real bad. Almost killed Joker. Who are you? A mercenary? Another criminal? Who you working for? Oh, you want to give me a silent treatment, eh? I can do the same thing. While I kick your butt. Whoa, Robin, you really took a hit. What happened? He beat you up, then escaped by a smoke bomb. Huh. I'll be at the Batcave if you need me. I need to figure something out. Alright, we're going to take in Deadshot. Wait, where is he? Should be up on the roof. Unless he escaped. Alright, thanks, Robin. Yeah, pull up video feed from my fight with the Black Menace. Yes, sir. Computer, loading. What do you want, Black Menace? Don't talk to me like I'm the criminal. You're the criminal of Gotham. Leaving these criminals free to run on the streets. Free? I've tried my best to catch them. What have you done? You killed 2 people and almost killed another man. At least I'm taking care of this city. That's it. Who are you, or I will have to take you in as a criminal too. You wouldn't. Try me. My goodness, Master Wayne, is that you? Who's Bruce Wayne? Let me out of here so I can kill you both. Where am I? Bruce, calm down. You're in the Batcave. You should know that. I shall know what. Let me out of here. Where's my mask? Bruce, calm down. I don't want to calm down! Master Grayson, what is this machine going to do? Well, it's supposed to search the memories. It should come up on that computer. Ah, yes. And will it hurt Master Wayne? Maybe a little, but it shouldn't hurt him too much. Alright. Starting extraction. 3, 2, 1. Where am I? Ow. This really hurts. What am I wearing? Sir, are you okay? What happened? I don't know. Where am I? You're in New York. New York? I remember. Where are you from, sir? I remember something in Gotham. Sir, you can't be from Gotham. You're 2,000 miles. It'll take a year to get back to Gotham. A year? Oh. Alright, sir. I'm going to take you back to the hospital. We can get you checked out, alright? Alfred, I had that under control. No, Master Grayson, you did not. You are doing this out of your own pity of having Master Bruce die. I am not going to let him die once more. Fine. We'll find another way to get his memory back. Let's take him back. Let's take him to the cell in case he gets any bright ideas. Master Bruce, so nice to see you again. Huh? Do you remember me? I am your butler, Alfred. Alfred? Come a little closer so I can see your face. Yes, Master Wayne. What is it? Who are you people? Where am I? Master Wayne, it is I, Alfred. I shall slice your throat. Get away from him! Bruce, put the knife down. Why you keep on calling me that? I'm not Bruce. I don't even know who I am. Now stop calling me that. Alright, fine. But just put the knife down and we can talk. This was your old suit, the Bat suit. People used to call you the Batman, the Dark Knight, or the Caped Crusader. Alert, alert, crime in progress, alert. Ah, Professor Connor. It is very nice to see you. Please, don't make me do it again. I just can't. Oh, but you will, Mr. Connors. You very will. Become the man bat. The greatest creation of man. No, I can't. Sorry, Mr. Connors, but you will. Oh, boys. Nice to see you around. Oh, Professor. I thought Batman took care of you back when Officer Grayson shot Ra's al Ghul in the back. I escaped before he could take me in. So did the other two ninjas with me. Oh, I see you've made a friend, Man-Bat. I will chew your heart out. Hey, is that any way to talk to an old friend? We have never met. Oh, yeah, right. You and Batman have. Who were they? I don't know. Do you remember them? Anything? I told you I don't know. Wait, I didn't. Why were they trying to capture Kurt Langstrom? All he's done is the Man-Bat. Who's that? A few years ago, you fought him, kicked his butt, sent him off to Arkham. It's been a few, and he's very good at genetic engineering. And I think they need him for something, but I don't know what. We better find him. Yeah, we best. Is that lady okay? Yeah. Let's get back to the, whatever you call it. The Batcave? Yeah, that. Master Ghoul, I am so pleased we could be of some help. Yes, now, Man-Bat, so nice to see you again. Nice to be back, Master. What shall I do for you? I need you to help me build an army of bats, a Man-Bat army. Yes, Master, but that serum took Langstrom many years to perfect. I can only do it in small doses. Well, make it permanent, Doctor. You are a professor, aren't you? Langstrom is. I am the brains. I am the bronze of this operation. He is the brains. Professor? Yes? Please take Professor back to your lab and we can figure out how to make this permanent. Yes, Master. Come along. Yes. Who are they? I don't know, Bruce. I don't know. One question. Who's this Bruce guy you keep on talking about? You keep on calling me Bruce. Who was he? He was a famous, very rich person. Bruce Wayne. Parents died when you were a kid. Oh. So that's who I was. Yep. Wait a minute. Get down! Race, I saw you die. I shot you right in the back. Yes, but like I told Batman, my ways are supernatural. Now come with us. We would like to test our little formula on you, Mr. Grayson. Or shall I say Robin? Alfred, what happened? Wait, how did I get back to that Batcave? What am I wearing? Master Wayne, are you, okay? Yeah, I'm okay. What happened? I'm supposed to be on that little rocket. The bomb. Did I beat it? Did I kill Bane? Did I destroy the bomb? Yes, Master Wayne, you did. Then am I dead? No, Master Wayne. You are fine. But Master Grayson, wait. What do you mean? What happened? When the bomb exploded, so you had a concussion. A mild amnesia. You forgot who you were for a few years. You became this uncanny version of a man named the Black Menace. Who? He killed a few people. You killed. But, where's Robin? Where's Dick? He has been captured, but I don't know who. Let's check the footage. Race, I saw you die. I shot you. Alfred, do we still have my old suit? Master Wayne, I have been waiting for you to say that for a long time. Good, because I'm gonna need it. Tonight is the night that Ra's al Ghul dies for good. Alfred, No, Master Wayne, I fixed it.
Really?
Yes, I thought it would be a good memorial for the Batman.
Does it work?
Yes, Master Wayne, it is in working progress.
Then warm up the Batmobile.
Yes, Master Wayne.
Where's Robin?
Is that Batman? Looks more like Fat Man. Ha ha ha!
Oh, you like making jokes, eh? Well, let's see who likes making jokes once I beat you half to death.
Come on, man. Let's see how Raish likes it. Batman's back.
Raish, let Robin go, or I swear I will kill everyone in this room.
Batman, how nice to see you again. So I've heard you have finally snapped and killed a few people like I always thought you would.
Raish, I swear I'll murder you all.
Batman, you're worse than me. Now, let's fight like gentle and normal people and not like savages.
Raish, you don't know how savage I can get when I get my hands on you.
Oh, Batman, you have so much to learn. Like how that you can never beat me.
Have you learned by now? I killed you twice, I can kill you a third time. Let him go, Professor. I'll slice off more than just that robotic arm of yours.
Yes, I believe you, Batman. So that is why I will do it. You cannot kill me. You killed Raish, but he has died too many times. He needed to die. Me, you could never do it.
I can probably find out a way.
Yes, Batman, you probably could. I believe you. But do you? Batman, are you alright now?
Yeah, after that little bump on the head when Raish busted into the Batcave, it knocked me to my senses and I got back here and helped you.
Well, thanks. And I think Professor killed himself. Shot him in the head with some weird blue formula.
That's the same thing that Man-Bot got shot with. This ain't gonna be good.
Wait a minute, what's that sound? Batman? Batman?
Robin, get ready! Batman! Who the heck are you? I'm Clayface!
Professor? Is that you?
No! Clayface!
Hands up! Whatever you are! And we won't shoot!
Ah!
Fire!
Robin, something's not right. Who was that?
Batman, I think that serum he shot into himself made him into that clay face thing.
Well, we need to find him fast. He almost killed 3 cops. And us. We need to find him now.
But how? He can look like he's blended in like a cop. It's gonna be hard to find him.
I have a plan. I think I can get a sample of sludge off that police officer. Maybe we can find its weakness.
Good idea, Bruce. I mean, Batman. Let's get back to the Batcave. Bruce, look. If we give the clay an electric shock, it just melts like ice cream in the sun. You're right. Huh. I think I have a thing just for this. These little electric gloves work. I beat the man bat with them. Batman, you think Clayface gonna come?
I know he will. He ain't gonna pass up an opportunity of a whole truck of DNA samples from different animals. He ain't passing that up.
Batman, what are you doing out here?
Commissioner, sorry to bother you.
Batman, aren't you supposed to be dead?
Yeah, about that. Wait a minute. Who'd you say you were?
Gordon. You know, Commissioner Gordon.
I thought that. You're under arrest, Clayface! Robin, you did good today. I'm happy I chose you to be the crime fighter of Gotham.
Thanks, Batman. And, what are they gonna do with Clayface?
They're gonna take him down to Arkham and probably keep him there until they can cure him.
Until then?
Well, let's just say it's not gonna be too pretty. It's not gonna be too fun. Back to the Batcave?
Yep. Bruce, are you sure you don't want to stay Batman? No, I'm retired from being Batman. Gotham needs somebody that they can look up to, like you, that they can trust. Batman, no one can trust. They are too terrified. Most of the people want to kill me. So I'm giving the mantle to you. Thanks, Bruce. I'll take care of it. Would you still like to stay here? Teach me? Yeah. You still need to learn a few things, like how to beat up Joker and a few other criminals. Lesson 1 starts today.